In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a teammate as an admin in Base44. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you have the right level of access to manage users. Only users with sufficient permissions can promote others to admin, so if you don't see the options I'm describing, you may need to check with an existing admin on your workspace. Once you're in, start by going to the dashboard. This is usually the main landing area after you log in, and it's where you can access the different parts of your workspace. From the dashboard, look for the section or menu item related to users or team members. This is where all the people who have access to your workspace are listed. Next, find the specific teammate you want to set as an admin. You might see a list of users with their names, roles, and statuses. Take a moment to double check you're selecting the correct person, since admin access gives them more control over your workspace settings and data. When you've located the right user, move your cursor over their row and look for the three dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots. This will open a small menu with different actions you can take for that user. From that menu, click on Edit User. This will open the user's settings or profile details. Here, you'll typically see fields like their name, email, and role within the workspace. You're interested in the role or permission level. Inside the Edit view, look for the option labeled Admin, or something similar that indicates administrator access. Click on the admin option to change that teammate's role from a regular user to an admin. Before you confirm, think about whether this person really needs full admin rights, as it usually includes the ability to manage billing, users, and key settings. At this point, Base44 may prompt you to upgrade your plan before you can assign an additional admin. This happens when your current subscription doesn't include multiple admins. Review the upgrade information carefully so you understand any changes to pricing or limits, and proceed with the upgrade if that fits your team's needs. Once you've handled any upgrade requirements and the admin option is selected, scroll down if needed and click on Submit. This saves the changes to that user's account. After submitting, it's a good idea to confirm that the teammate now shows as an admin in your user list, and let them know they have new admin capabilities.